Phurious5tylez, nigga. Let's get it. Look, making moves, I ain't rich yet. Only still getting at like about 6 checks. Don't know where my routine need to switch at. Coming at me, you need to know where your chick at. She supposed to be where your motherfucking dick at. Obviously that your ass ain't hit that. And if you did, you know what you doing, so get back. Probably on me, cause my motherfucking 6-pack. Or it's cause I'm fresh like a handful of Tic Tacs. Pulling off bitch, nigga, who did that? Bumping that top, that motherfucking damn fish scale. Going in the wind, just like a ghost. Peace of mind, I want the most. Trails and problems, obstacles, through the decisions I chose. By now, I know that the walls closing in. I find the holes in other teams, call it a win. I finally score. This the moment I'm proud of it, more unforgettable. It never just clouded my thoughts. I stood up tall when the team needed me and they tired and exhausted. That's when I go all in. Keep positivity around, cause some you call kin, they get upset and then push you to your margin. Treat myself like God ends. If you don't help me grow, then don't bother. As human beings, we need sun and water. The way I discipline myself can take me farther. And we need to listen and hear nature calling. Phurious5tylez.